Will a cold tar patch hold up against weed growth or root incursion depends on preparation and ongoing maintenance. Cold tar patch can be effective for small potholes and surface repairs if you remove all plant material and soil before applying it. Start by scraping and digging out roots and weeds to a depth that removes live growth and loose material, then blow or sweep the area clean so the patch bonds to solid edges. For repairs larger than a few inches, install a weed barrier fabric cut to fit the hole and tuck it under the surrounding pavement. This reduces organic regrowth from below and gives the cold patch a more stable base. When placing cold tar patch, compact it firmly with a hand tamper or a heavy object and feather the edges so water does not pool against the repair, because standing water accelerates deterioration and encourages plant invasion. Expect that cold patch is a temporary repair method and plan to monitor the area every few months, pulling any sprouts that appear and recompacting edges as needed to maintain a tight seal. For holes impacted by active tree roots, consider professional root management or replacing the affected pavement with a deeper, flexible repair that includes root barriers, since cold patch will not stop structural root pressure over time. Common problems are residual roots or underground rhizomes continuing to push through the patch, trapped moisture causing the repair to break down, and loose or poorly compacted material allowing seeds to settle and germinate. If roots remain, remove as much live tissue as possible and consider a physical root barrier or a thicker structural repair. Avoid cutting roots without addressing the source, because regrowth can be vigorous. If moisture is the issue, improve drainage by adjusting the slope and sealing edges, and recompact the patch so water cannot infiltrate beneath it. If compaction was inadequate, take the time to properly compact and feather the patch now and schedule periodic checks to retamp and clear any new organic material. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides an active discussion community where people share real-world maintenance tips like these. We help contractors find work by allowing them to join conversations and showcase their experience to potential clients.